call here Commissioner Sherwin Manonzo to announce the first ever overall pick.
Okay, the pick is in with the first overall in the 2024 PBL draft. The Zeus Coffee Thunderbells select Thea Gagate from De La Salle University.
For PBL Rookie Draft Night, Thea Gagate.
For ladies fighter of three-time UAAP Best Middle Blocker and the UAAP Season 85 champion, Thea Gagate will definitely be an asset in the Zeus Coffee Thunderbirds.
What a catch for Zeus Coffee. They are the new kids on the block. But this is big fish, Ayel. I mean, the experience of Thea Gagate, not just in college, being coached by the legendary coach Emil De Jesus.
As I always say, I hope na I just will do my best to help the team and help build their rank up in the PBL. Well, for me, nandun talaga yung kaba. Pa rin talaga yung mawawala. Kasi even though I know na like their top pick, nandun pa rin yung bigat kahit pa paano. But then, I'm also very grateful na appreciate nila yung talent ko and na ako yung na-pick nila.
Kaya yung mga kasama ng mga champions ng NCAA coach, gano'n ka lang ka-excited na ma-share nyo sa isa't isa yung winning tradition na nakuha nyo ng college game?
Yes, very exciting kasi yun nga, we've never been together with other NCAA and sila din, di pa nakapagsama with great teams and siguro mas maganda lang tong experience and hopefully makabuo kami ng magandang energy all together in my nakaka-overwhelming siya, honestly. And syempre, as first pick, nakaka-pressure yun. Kasi hindi talaga siya madali. But of course, syempre, gagawin ko lang din yung best ko na sana tulungan ko yung team na umangat sa PBL and I hope I can also contribute in terms of blocking.